Buildings of different types have distinctive characteristics. As a combination of humanistic art and science and technology, today's buildings are empowered by technology to take on more missions. Raisin launched BIPV stacked super tile. Installation of stacked super tile. Install counter battens and roof battens. Install edge tiles at the bottom. Install hooks at the bottom. Mount stacked super tiles. Install edge tiles. Install ridge tiles. The stacked super tile follows the traditional Tilling-style waterproofing system. The left and right edges and the upper and lower edges are respectively provided with exclusive lapping devices, thus achieving reliable waterproofing performance. The hookup design enables the stacked super tile to withstand strong typhoons. The double glass structure of the module shows superior resistance to hail impact and lower attenuation coefficient. 30-year power guarantee for modules, 5 more years of generation revenue. The back ventilation design provides good heat dissipation and insulation performance for the stacked tile system. Stacked super tiles dust-proof design increases power generation by 5%. Compatible with conventional tile systems, the stack design is flexible enough to support versatile application scenarios, shape a new era of zero-carbon buildings with modern technologies. Super tile modules generate DC power with sunlight received, transform DC power to AC power through inverter, and get connected to the power grid through the distribution boxes. The electricity generated is prioritized for household appliances, and the excess power is transmitted to the national grid. Power generation status can be monitored online, in real time through the Intelligent System app. Led by technologies and driven by innovation, Raisin offers BIPV solutions that empower zero-carbon buildings and build a green intelligent energy system that delivers green electricity to thousands of homes.